Today is resort day, guys. We started around 1 p.m. I guess, so on the way we had some lunch. This is the restaurant where we had. So today we are going to Intercontinental Chennai Mahabalipuram Resort and IHG Hotel. It is in the ECR Road. So this is the entrance, guys, and we are heading to the car parking area. The check-in time for this hotel is 3 p.m. guys, and the checkout time is 12 p.m. So we were right on time actually. My dad is removing all the bags from the car, and then they had put this mala which they usually put in the resort. It was a shell mala, I guess. It was very pretty. Then they gave us a little welcome treat, and then they do this tradition to welcome their guests, which is very heartwarming. This is the reception area, guys. My sister's at the counter, my nephew's running around the tree, and my dad and mom are just chilling. For welcome drink, they had chili guava and detox drink. I took the detox drink because we just had lunch. Hi guys, quick room tour. Entrance, as soon as you enter, you have this coffee machine, you have 2 cups, Nescafe Amul Gold, and then you have like a couple of tea bags actually. Roasted Darjeeling tea, fast English breakfast and sugar, and then like water bottles. And then you have seating area, which is very nice. And then you can also look at the pool from here, guys. I don't know if you can see. Then in this room we have 2 separate beds, here and here. Me and my sister and nephew will be staying here. And then you have like your phone, your lights, and some decor on top. Then the TV is there, lamp. And then again we have a robe here, and there should be one more inside. Yes, there's a robe here as well, 2 slippers, and then you have dry cleaning pressing bags, and then some hangers. This is me, guys. And then here you have all the toiletries, body lotion, hand wash, again me, and then few towels. Look at this, guys. We have a bathtub here, some towels again, and then the washroom is separate, and then the bath is separate actually. Look at this. Amazing. So that is the room tour, guys. He's already taken, I guess. Yeah. This is the high tea area, guys. It starts at 5 p.m. and it is there for 1 hour, I guess. They had juice, coffee, tea, milk, and some savories as well. Evening around 7 p.m. the live music started, guys, and it went for like 1.5 hours, and it was so soothing to the ears with the ambience and everything. It was a very beautiful sight. Actually, once we reached the resort, I was feeling very sleepy, guys, because the previous day I had not slept at all. But once this live music started, it was so refreshing and completely changed my mood. In this spot, I met a lady from China, guys, and we were enjoying the live show so much. And she was also telling how much she likes Indian music. We even stood there for a very long time and were admiring how they were playing those instruments. So good. We both were the only ones standing there, but at the end, we gave them a big round of applause and also were cheering for them. They were so happy about it, which is very sweet. I think we all should appreciate artists, guys. Don't you think it is such a beautiful talent? I wanted to check out the night view of the swimming pool, guys, so I just went there for a bit. Also, swimming pool timings are 7 a.m. to 7 p.m., guys. Guys, the soothing live music in front of the water area and the dim lighting and the candles is so my vibe, guys. The resort is very pretty in the night, guys. This is the Christmas tree in the resort, guys. Look at that, so pretty. Night we headed out for a bit, guys, and that was about it. This is how we spent Vlogmas Day 24. Here are some pictures from our first day at the resort, guys.